In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning images just like this from anything you can think about using AI, and it's free. I created a video months ago on how to create any picture whatsoever to talk and say whatever you want to say. Yes, animate it to talk and say whatever you wanted to say. And the number one question I got from that video was, how do we create the pictures in the first place? And that is what I'm going to answer today. Hi, my name is Jayne, and I am a video editor and instructor. And on this channel, I teach you how to edit videos, how to use AI tools to leverage your social media and monetize your social media platforms. I'm going to be teaching you 3 AI tools we are going to use today to achieve this text to image. That's what they call it, text to image. Okay, so the first one is going to be CapCut AI, the second one Leonardo.ai, and the third one is Gemini AI. It's going to be a packed class. Let's go straight into the tutorial.
So you can go on Google and just search CapCut. So this is what the interface that opens up for you. So you're going to come here and click create new, and then scroll down under magic tools and click view more. As you see this, they have a lot of AI tools that you can use. Okay, so if you scroll down and go to for images, you will see text to image. Okay, please note that everything here is free. So this is what it opens, and then it shows you this section where you can write, your text prompt. This is the prompt that you should add. Create a female. If you're a male, create a male. If you're light skin, turn into light skin. Long black hair. If you want a short brown hair, you can do that. Eye facing the camera. Presenter. Hands on the table. Nice home background. High resolution. 4K and photorealistic. Then again, we're going to get to this point where we call the aspect ratio. We have the square, we have the portrait, and then we have the landscape. For YouTube it's usually landscape. All right, if you were creating pictures for, let's say, TikTok reels or Instagram, you would use the portrait. So let's click the landscape. The number of images we would like it to produce at once, let's say 3. I'm going to change this to custom because I don't want it to be American cartoon or cyberpunk or oil painting, but of course you can want that also, and then we'll click generate. This is the one from the main CapCut website. See what it looks like. Okay, it didn't even give me my 16:9 ratio, and you can see the issues with the hands. So let's try again. Landscape this time. Custom is still cartoonish. Let's put surreal and let's do generate. This is the one using the surreal filter. Look at what it looks like, man. It does look nice, but this can't present for us. Okay, and this can't be our presenter, but it does look nice. Let's try another American cartoon. Put hands on the table. They are putting hands on the table, not the way we want. Just go on Google and type Leonardo's AI and then click the first drop down. Okay, it comes out like this and it tells you get started. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in with Google. So this is what the interface looks like. It brings out all this, so you can close it or you can take your time and read that when you want to. So the thing we're interested in here is going to be image creation, and we're going to click that. Let's do no thanks. You can always go on the tour later if you want to. Now here are the first things that are going to be of concern to us. The very first one is these are this is the model that you're going to use to create this. These are the prompt enhance, the style dynamic contrast, the generation mode fast, and all this. Now this one is also the same thing. I talked about the portraits, the square, and then the landscape that we are using on YouTube. Okay, so you select this and then you're going to select the resolutions. You can see anything that has a diamond means it's a premium feature, so we're just going to leave it at medium, and then we're saying 4 images at once. So we're going to go up here now, and then we're going to paste our prompts, the same prompts that we used in the other one, and then we are going to use generate. This thing works with a point system. So whenever you log in every day, you are given 150 coins, and you can see to create this four pictures that are going to be landscape with this prompt, it's going to take me 24 coins. So you know every day you have 150. Let's click the generate. All right, so this is what was created. So if we look at this, this is nice. She looks very, money. So when you want to download this, you just click here and then you just click download, select a folder, and then just save it. Let's look at the others. This one too. This one has a bit of white hair, and I do not like what's happening with the hand. Now, if you do see it has issues with the hand, you can decide to upscale the image by clicking this. But it's a premium feature. It's a premium feature. So get your premium features, okay? This one is looking naked, so I'm not gonna work with this. This one is another one, but I'm seeing issues again, of course, with the hand. All right, so let's say for another example, we decide to change the kind of model that we're using. We're not using Phoenix. Let's use Portrait Perfect. Okay, let's use that. Then we are going to use the same medium, and then we are going to use the same prompts. I'm just showing you so many ways, so we're going to see what that is going to create as well. And yes, this is what it created. Okay, look at this. Okay, because we used portrait features, so it created this for us. I love it. Like this one too, I really like. So I'm just going to click the button here and save it. Okay, I do have a video. If I want to turn this picture to look like me in real life, I do have a video on how you can do that, linked in the description box. Okay, see the next one. This is also very good.
Hey, back to my face. I hope the video is going well. So if you've learned something to this point, please hit the like button. It helps the algorithm to send more people my way. Let's go back to the tutorial.
Dreamina.capcut.ai. This is it. So let's try and generate our image from here. You can generate images. You can, this is still in a beta phase, so it's not on yet to generate videos. And then you can, this is also in a beta phase to generate music. So when those ones comes out, I'm going to definitely cover them. All right, so let's go to the image generator, and then I've used them before. I've used this before. I remember using this to do one of my other videos. So let's just go here and paste in our prompt. It is free, totally free. Here, of course, also you can change your kind of effect you want to use. So let's leave it like this, and then let us click generate and see what that creates for us. It's still loading. Oh, look at this. This looks real. This looks real. I think it does. It looks real. And then you can edit it, you can upscale it, you can expand it. And these are other ones. Look at this. She looks like a real person. Sorry. Looks like a real person. Look at this. She looks like a real person. And the background is looking really regal and nice. And so we'll click the download button, of course, and download it. So with AI, you can have a lot of fun. You can have a lot of fun. Here you can upscale, of course, and it's going to make it, better, clearer. And look at this. Even if our hands are a bit off, they always get it wrong in the fingers. I think it's amazing.
Now, of all the AI tools, which one do you think produces the best pictures? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. And if you've not still subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel. It helps us. Thank you. And guys, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.